Hello and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 18. Examples of fine chemicals include the following except A. Additives, B. Drugs, C. Dye, D. Perfumes, E. Sodium hydroxide. Now, what are fine chemicals in the first place? Now, fine chemicals are single, pure, and complex chemicals that are only produced in small amounts and to very high degree of purity. Examples include drugs, dyes, perfumes, additives, etc. Now, the opposite of fine chemicals is bulky chemicals. So bulky chemicals are those that are produced in large amounts and the degree of purity is not really emphasized. So let's look at the options. Additives, we have listed additives as an example of a fine chemical. So an additive is a fine chemical and hence it's not the answer to this question. Now, drugs is the first example we listed as an example of a fine chemical, so it is not the answer. We also listed dyes, so it's out. We listed perfumes, that is also out. Now, sodium hydroxide is an example of a bulky chemical because it is produced by chemical industries in very large amounts and the degree of purity is not emphasized. So sodium hydroxide is not an example of a fine chemical. It is a bulky chemical and hence the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.